Hi, I'm Kendall Cottingham, and I'm a fifth-year PhD candidate in the Department of Biochemistry. So I grew up in Bloomington, Indiana. My high school chemistry teacher was phenomenal. And that's when I was like, wow, science, chemistry, that's pretty cool. I did my undergraduate at West Liberty University. It's a small school right outside of Wheeling, West Virginia. And I went there to play volleyball and to study science. I work in Dr. Hannah Hall's lab here in the biochemistry department, and generally as a lab, we're interested in what's happening at the cellular level that causes age-related neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. And my project specifically is focused on what happens in the cell when DNA is being turned into RNA. We're really interested in what happens between point A and point Z. So we see that there's protein that aggregates, and then we see that there's neurodegeneration. But I'm looking at what's happening in the middle here and how can we address some of those intermediate issues along the way. I use fruit flies as a model system to study aging and age-related neurodegeneration. And it would not have been my first choice because fruit flies, although fascinating, are a little bit gross, honestly, but they are phenomenal model tools for this system because their lifespan is so much shorter and we can use so many more test subjects in one given round. And this work that we're doing in the flies is the basic molecular discovery. And any problems that we identify in the flies and can correct will then go up to higher level organisms. We'll try it in mice before ultimately it would go on to like a clinical study and be used to make drugs for humans. Long term down the road, I would love to be able to help people with these neurodegenerative diseases, with Alzheimer's disease. What I tell people about my research, there's not a person who doesn't respond with, oh, Alzheimer's runs in my family, or oh, my uncle was affected, or my sister, or my cousin, or my friend. There's so much connection, and Alzheimer's in general doesn't just hurt the patient, it hurts the family and it hurts the community. So if we can provide some benefit into that, that would be phenomenal.